Momo, your task is to draw up a map of the disaster area.
Okay, I will first use a drone to capture images of the disaster. Now, operate the drone. Pictures taken by the drone. They will form a complete map when placed together like a jigsaw puzzle. Formed a map. It looks like the location marked by a red flag is closest to the epicenter of the earthquake, and the damage there is the most severe. We are now at the location marked by the blue flag. We will be able to reach the disaster area by moving along this road. Captain Kiki, the map of the disaster area is ready.
Good job, Momo. Let us now set out with this map.
Oh dear, there has been a landslide ahead. The rescue vehicle won't be able to get in there.
Everybody, there is very little time to waste. Let us pick up the lighter rescue tools and run into the disaster area with it. Help me locate these rescue tools. Rescue boots. Cutting pliers. Jack.
Help me locate these rescue tools.
Electric saw. Loudspeaker. Pulley block. These are the rescue tools that I want to bring with. Protective mask, rock drill, crowbar. Where are all these rescue tools? Shovel, tripod, optical detector. Good job! Let us set out for the disaster area right now! We will arrive at the heart of the disaster area once we pass through this tunnel. Remember to stay safe. Let us go! An aftershock! Everybody! An aftershock! Everybody! Careful! You have to hop over the obstacle! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! It is very low here. Remember to crouch as you move forward. An aftershock!
Almost
Everybody,
there.
face down on the ground! It is very low here. Remember to crouch as you move forward. An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! We are almost past the tunnel. Good job so far. Quick, follow me into the disaster area. Awesome! You have finally completed the 3 rescue tasks with all that effort. This is a bravery medal for you. Keep going.